Welcome to this Elliott Equipment Company training video where we'll demonstrate how to retrofit the original UTS boom angle tilt sensor with the new Posital tilt sensor on an L65R aerial device. Before starting, it's critical to follow all safety protocols. Only qualified and trained personnel should perform this procedure. Make sure you read, understand, and comply with the manufacturer's instructions, employer safety rules, worksite regulations, and all applicable governmental regulations. In this video, we're going to walk you through the retrofit step by step from disconnecting the original UTS sensor through wiring the new connector. This is a precision procedure, so take your time and remember that a final calibration is required to complete the install. Here's everything you'll need for this retrofit: a Posital tilt sensor retrofit kit, an 11/32 wrench or socket, a 7/16 wrench or socket, a flat blade screwdriver, and a Deutsch terminal crimping tool. The retrofit kit ships complete. Verify all kit contents are present before starting this procedure. Begin by verifying that all power to the machine is turned off. This is essential before disconnecting any sensor on the boom. Never disconnect or service the tilt sensor with power applied to the machine. With the power confirmed off, locate the existing UTS tilt sensor on the boom and disconnect its electrical connector. Using a ratchet with a 7/16 socket or a 7/16 wrench, loosen and remove the existing tilt sensor mounting hardware. Set the original sensor and hardware aside. Pro tip: before fully removing the old sensor, photograph its orientation on the boom. This gives you a reference for matching the new sensor's general placement. Locate the angle sensor adapter plate from the retrofit kit. Mount the new Posital tilt sensor to the adapter plate using the supplied 832 hardware. Use a ratchet with an 11/32 socket or an 11/32 wrench. Snug the 832 hardware evenly. Over-tightening can distort the sensor housing. With the Posital sensor secured to the adapter plate, mount the assembly to the bottom of the boom using the supplied 7/16 hardware and spacers. Make sure the spacers are seated correctly and the adapter plate sits flat against the boom mounting surface. Now we'll terminate the flying leads of the cable into the supplied Deutsch connector. Pay close attention to the wire to cavity assignments. Getting this right is critical for proper sensor operation. Crimp each wire into its assigned cavity using the Deutsch terminal crimping tool. Once all 4 wires are terminated, install the cable and route it cleanly along the boom. Pro tip: double check each crimp by giving the wire a light tug before installing the connector. A loose crimp will cause intermittent sensor faults that are hard to diagnose later. The brown wire is not used. Cap or insulate it to prevent any chance of a short. This is an important step, so do not skip it. Once the new Posital sensor is mechanically installed and wired, contact Elliott Equipment Company's Aftersales Support team. A setting adjustment is required from our end to ensure the new sensor operates correctly. The sensor will not produce accurate angle readings until the Aftersales Support setting adjustment has been completed. Do not return the unit to service before calibration. After the calibration call is complete, the final step is zeroing the new boom angle sensor. For the full procedure, refer to the Elliott training video titled Homing Sensors L50 and L65. With the sensor calibrated and zeroed, run a complete operational check. Slowly raise and lower the boom through its full range and confirm the angle reading on the display tracks smoothly and accurately. Verify that there are no fault codes related to the boom angle sensor, and check that the cable is securely routed with no pinch points or chafing. That's it. The new Posital tilt sensor is installed, calibrated, and verified. Always remember, this retrofit isn't complete until the after-sales support adjustment and zeroing procedure have both been performed. Stay safe, and thank you for watching. For more detailed information or further assistance on this tech tip, please contact Elliott Equipment Company's After-Sales Support team. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.